Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing Neuro-Balance Therapy, a revolutionary approach to the treatment of various neurological and psychological conditions. This innovative therapy aims to restore balance in the brain's neural pathways using a combination of therapeutic techniques. Neuro-Balance Therapy is designed to address a wide range of issues, including 1. Chronic headaches and migraines. 2. Multiple sclerosis. 3. Brain injury and stroke. 4. Parkinson's disease. 5. Dementia and cognitive decline. 6. Depression and anxiety. 7. Sleep apnea and breathing disorders. 8. Tourette syndrome and other motor tics. 9. OCT and anxiety disorders. 10. Problems of adaptability and learning disabilities. The primary goal of Neuro-Balance Therapy is to stimulate the brain's self-healing abilities by improving overall neural connectivity. This is achieved through a series of gentle therapeutic procedures that include 1. Cranial manipulation and mobilization. 2. Relaxing and stretching the muscles. 3. Neuro-recruitment exercises. 4. Assessment of biological feedback. 5. Laser therapy. 6. Chiropractic adjustments. 7. Acupuncture and moxibustion. The therapy is non-invasive, painless, and suitable for people of all ages. It has been shown to help improve nerve function, promote brain health, and reduce symptoms of various neurological disorders. In addition, Neuro-Balance Therapy is highly regarded for its ability to facilitate recovery and promote overall well-being. In conclusion, Neuro-Balance Therapy is a promising treatment option for those facing problems related to their nervous system, by helping to restore balance in the brain's neural pathways. This therapy can lead to significant improvements in a wide range of neurological and psychological conditions. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of these problems, consider seeing a healthcare professional for evaluation and treatment.